Today in Tallahassee, Attorney General James Uthmeier praised record-breaking human trafficking enforcement efforts across Florida since taking office in February of 2025. During a press conference in Miami, the AG highlighted historic increases in investigations, arrests, prosecutions, and prison sentences. Here's a look at those numbers. More than 1,600 child predators and traffickers have been arrested, resulting in a sharp jump in cases, charges, convictions, and prison time. Statewide active human trafficking cases are up 28%, convicted defendants are up 32%, and total charges filed are up 54% over 2024. Also, there's been $53 million in financial penalties. Offenders have received a combined 3,275 years in prison.
Our children are a gift from God. They're pure, they're innocent, and they need us to protect them. And if you abuse that, you are going to face the wrath of our prosecutors and our great law enforcement partners.
The AG says Florida is intensifying partnerships with law enforcement, businesses, and groups like Uber ahead of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. The goal is to boost prevention, training, and public awareness so more human trafficking can be identified and reported.